Hi, good morning. So, naranasan mo ba na meron kang bagay na naisip, meron kang idea, pero yung idea na yun, hindi mo kagad ginawa ng action. Tapos, lumipas yung ilang araw, hanggang sa idea na naisip mo, nawalan ka na ng interest. At nung nawalan ka na ng interest, tuluyan nang nawala yung idea na yun sa sarili mo. So, in reality, sa totoong buhay natin, kapag ka meron kang idea, andun yung strong emotion natin, andun yung nagdadrive sa atin. You have to take action immediately when you have idea. Kasi may tinatawag tayong law of diminishing. At kapag nangyari yung law of diminishing na yon, nawawala yung opportunity na makuha natin yung magandang idea na ibinigay sa atin when you did not take action right now. So, kapag ka meron kang magandang idea, andun yung strong emotion mo, gawan mo kagad ng paraan. Huwag mong hahayaan na lumipas yung araw, yung panahon, na mawawala yung idea na yun sa'yo. Sayang yung wisdom na ibinibigay sa atin ng God. Nawawala yung opportunity because you did not take action right away. So, take action right now. And that is very important because everything diminish if you don't take action. Sayang yung idea, sayang yung thoughts, sayang yung strong emotions that drives you to get that idea to put into reality. Everything starts with a simple idea. Everything starts with a simple thought. And when you did not take action, that opportunity diminish from you. So, huwag mo hayaan yun mawala. Because yun yung isa sa mga blessings na binibigay sa atin ng God na opportunity to have the opportunity to get the beautiful idea, beautiful thoughts. Take action right away.